Hello everybody, welcome back to INSANEBRIT Gaming. I'm INSANEBRIT and this is my unboxing of the Kraken V4 gaming headset, Razer Kraken headset. And they do have a Black Shark V3 out, which is around £230 at the time of this recording. This one was about £200, but it dropped around to 120, maybe because they knew that the new one was coming out, so they dropped it in price. However, this is the one I originally wanted to get, so I thought, well, I didn't really feel like paying 200 for a new headset or whatever, so I'm just going to go with this one. So yeah, I'm not going to show you my address obviously on the Amazon package, so let's crack it open and then I'll give you all the well, we'll discover it together basically, because I'm not too sure. I think it's about as big as this one. I don't know, it looks it to me, but I haven't really gone in-depth reviews. I've only seen it on Amazon. It was one that was like highly promoted to me a while ago, and I am a big fan of Razer. I believe you will have to download Synopsys free to make it work and do all the jazzy stuff with the lights or whatever. I do have it because I've already got a Razer keyboard and mouse. This is not sponsored, by the way, so or anything like that. Okay, so let's just get. Alright, it's just coming like this. That's cool. Hold on. Wow, okay, so the typical Razer box, as it were. Razer Kraken. It works for PC, Mac, PlayStation, Nintendo, Steam Deck, and a smartphone. So that's a lot of different variables there. Okay, that's already. Okay, that's cool. That's done. Didn't have to thing it. Oh, it's sliding out the box here. So it's a slide-on case. Okay, cool. So full spectrum immersion unleashed, as it were. I'll probably keep the box as well, try and keep it nice, etc. How do I do this now? Oh, it flips up, so let's do it together. Wow, they look thin. Hold on. They don't look nowhere near as bulky as I thought as these ones I've got on. I kind of like that. Okay, hold on. I think this is a dongle or whatever. Hold on. I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, that is tiny as hell. Okay. Okay. And then let's we pull them out together. How do we do this now? I think the whole padding comes out actually. Do you know what? Let's just get the headset out itself. That's what we want. Oh, they are smaller. Damn. Okay, hold on. So let's put them aside for 1 second. There's normally paperwork in here. Oh, here we go. So we've got the paperwork in the lid here as well. Hold on. So that's basically it. I think there's wires at the bottom, but because I'm assuming there's going to be wires, it's not. So we've got instructions and stuff like that, the basic instructions, and it opens up. My God. Oof, giving you information about X, Y, and Z, how to set it up, probably. But for the most part, we know how to set these things up if you're experienced with them. But so I'll leave this to the side, and we do have the stickers. What stickers do we get? Okay. For gamers, by gamers, the logo. And then a Razer one at the bottom there on the right. I don't really stick these around because if I'm selling a product to a PC or something, they don't want it covered in stickers, but whatever. I like the touch, but I just have nowhere really to put them as such. Anyway, getting back to the nitty gritty. Okay, this is what they are. Ear cups are nice. I like that. We've got a volume. We've got a mute button. You charge it and then the power button as well, so fairly standard, simple. On the right one, I think that's game chat, and I think that's a Bluetooth pairing. You can use Bluetooth to pair it with your PC. You can also pair it with the wires. Hold on, I can just. There is some wires here with it. Okay, so. Alright, okay, so we've got two wires. Hold on. So this must be the charging one. Oh, and you've got a thing with it as well. So, okay, so I'm assuming that's how you charge it. Standard, in the PC or PS5, whatever, and then into the actual headset. That's fine. I think maybe if that's that wire. Actually, no, hold on. Is it the same? Hold on. This one, is that an extender? It might be for something else. I don't know. Because look, you can. I'm not too sure what that is, but it is what it is. So two wires. I think one's an extender. If not, because that will go on your PC. I don't know what this is for actually, because there's no. This bit goes into here, etc. So. Sorry, I'm dropping this wire everywhere. But whatever, I know one of them's the charger, but the one that we care about, most importantly, is the dongle, which I seem to have misplaced. Here it is. It's so small. So already my criticism is you are highly likely to lose this. I'm not happy with how small that is. Very, very careful. And I've got a black desk, so you know what I mean? You put it on the desk. Where is it? Where is it? You know what I mean? It's crazy. So this will go into the PS5, and then you can hook it up that way. And then you can hear the gameplay and stuff like that through the headset. However, guys, I'm going to have to... I was planning to show you some gameplay and stuff like that. I'll have a look at the technical specs of it and everything, and I'll deal with that, and then I'll come back. So give me 1 second, and we'll see what it... Because I'm going to have to turn on everything. So, yeah, give me 1 second. Alright guys, this is basically what it sounds. It's like noise cancelling headset. I won't even lie, I can barely hear myself speak when I got these on. A couple of things I forgot to mention. This is a put away mic. I had it in the last one as well. It goes in completely flat, like that. Oh, flat one actually. Boom. Right. But yeah, it's a completely flat microphone when you want it to be, which is really cool. Now I have a big head, so if you're worried about that, these can extend. I haven't even extended them, and yet they fit me. It's crazy. So if you look at that, like, now they're massive. I can't even. That's crazy. So I've got to actually put them back to the original size, or more or less. You know what I mean? It's mad. So I'm actually like pleasantly surprised with. Sorry, guys, looking at the camera. But yes, I'm pleasantly surprised. I haven't even had to really extend these because, like I said, I've got a big head, and that was from the off out the box. I was going to show you gameplay and stuff like that through the PlayStation and all the rest of it. However, there has been a bit of an issue with that. If you're playing the game like Call of Duty, we use that as a perfect example. You'll put the the PS5 dongle in, and then you'll connect it up, and then it will, go to the part where you put output, and the game, the gunfire and everything will come through the headset. Amazing, brilliant, no problem with that. Am I majorly impressed? Yes and no. Yes, because it's like, wow, this is, you can hear the clicks of the gun, you can hear footsteps. It's really good. Why am I like not amazed by it that way? Well, it's because like 10, 15 years ago, I've been playing SOCOM Confrontation and I had the same kind of technology. I just haven't really engaged with it too much because I don't really care to use them online. I'm talking to Chaos on uh, Discord or whatever, so I don't really use the headset for footsteps and stuff, but they are amazing. And if you're a Call of Duty player, and you're into a gaming headset and you want it for footsteps and stuff like that, and to hear every click of a gun, the explosion, it just shit me up when a jet flew over my head, and I was like, damn, I could really, really hear it. So I recommend them for gaming 100%. Also, I will say I did connect them up to my phone via Bluetooth. You know how you pair your AirPods or whatever? Do the same thing with these, and you can walk around. You put this microphone away. You don't really need that, obviously, and you can just jam to the music around the house or down the street or whatever. It's really, really cool. I really, their sound comes through clear, perfect. I have no issue with that. Now I did try to record with these, but then the wire wasn't too far from the PC to where I was sitting, and I thought, okay, I'll come nearer, and then it was just giving me a lot of BS. I won't even lie. So in the end, I just thought, you know what, I'm not even gonna tinker with it too much. I tried, I won't lie, but it just wasn't having it. So I was like, you know what, fuck it. I'm just not gonna to do that. I'm gonna show you the unboxing and give you my overall opinions anyway, regardless. So like I said, I recommend it for Call of Duty and gaming. Fantastic. £120 is a steal at this point. If you want to go all out and pay 200 and something for the Black Shark ones, I can't attest to them. I'm not saying they're bad. Go for it. But the cheaper option, or the more value for money option right now, is these £120 headphones. 100% recommend. They're very light. I've got a big head. I didn't even have to adjust them, so most people aren't going to really have an issue with that. Like I said, Bluetooth for your phone, and then obviously the PC as well. We can use them for that, and also, but specifically, the gaming. Obviously, that's what they're for. So you'll probably be using them for that. If you want to, uh, you know, how should I put it? To connect to the PC via wireless, you can do that. I was having a little bit of an issue with it. It was fine at first. Now I'm having an issue with it, so I just plugged in the wire because I just couldn't be bothered to muck around with it. I did connect perfectly with my phone though, right straight away, and it worked well. And like I said, the music was banging. I loved it. It was really good. They're really light on the head. They're comfortable. You can game for hours. They do feel like noise cancelling headphones, like you can barely hear yourself speak. Um, but on the whole, guys, they're really light. They're slick. Um, again, I haven't really mucked around with the the colors and everything. But you can do that obviously. The microphone seems to be crystal clear no matter what. I turned it up all the way. There is that mute button as well, so you just one click of a button, it mutes it. This where it plugs in is charging wire, so it just charges. It's not invasive as such. Like I said, I will have this wireless most of the time. I don't want to when I like do my next vlog. I'll hopefully connect it up to it via wireless, and it just works perfectly. You can also I think you can go into game chat with another button. There's one button to connect via Bluetooth as well. So it's fairly simple, but 120 quid. I haven't regretted buying these. I absolutely love them. I think they're fantastic. I would 100% recommend them. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you gameplay as such when it comes to the headset. There are probably other people out there that have already done it and stuff like that. So you'll no doubt go and check that out and see how brilliant they are. This is just more or less an unboxing of my overview slash opinion. But I tell you what, because remember, I may not be able to show you, but I have experienced it, and I absolutely love Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on it. Didn't try any other games. I just tried that, and it was just spot on all day long. I absolutely loved it. I thought it was great. But I speak to my friend Chaos just in general when I play COD, so I won't be using them for that. But that's just me. I'm mostly going to be using them for vlogs and stuff like that. That's just the way it is for me. Um, and like I said, most people ain't going to be recording content and stuff like that. You're just going to be gaming or whatever. You know what I mean? And maybe even listening to music, and it's perfect for that. And even movies. I haven't tried a movie. That'd be kind of cool. You can also do that. That's another added bonus. So a lot of positives. Great sound, great price, lightweight, multiple devices, easy to set up. Again, you have to maybe download synapses, which can be a pain if you haven't done it before in the Razer ecosystem. But it's not that overly complicated. And when it's done, it's done. And you can adjust the lights, I suppose, and everything else. But anyway, guys, that is the end of this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been meaning to upgrade to a new headset for a long time. I've finally done it. I've upgraded my mouse and keyboard, my chair. My PC is obviously about a year or two old now at this point, but that's fine. And then the last thing I'm going to update is maybe my television. That also has to be done as well, and maybe even this monitor. So that will happen in the near future as well. Whatever one I get, I don't even know. I haven't even decided yet. Um, I'm looking about in terms of price about £300, maybe 400, depending on what one I decide to get. I have limited space here on my desk as well. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Join the Insanity Squad membership for exclusive access to all my playthroughs ad free. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.